You think a blizzard is loud? You have watched too many movies where the wind howls like a banshee and rattles the shutters. That is a cinematic lie.
The reality of a fresh, heavy snowfall is silence. Absolute, heavy, suffocating silence. It feels peaceful. It is actually a tactical nightmare.
Freshly fallen snow is composed of nearly 90% trapped air. Structurally, it is identical to the acoustic foam used in high-end recording studios.
When 6 inches of this white foam covers your neighborhood, it acts as a massive sound dampener. It absorbs sound waves rather than reflecting them. This is the white noise effect.
In a normal grid-down scenario, the crunch of gravel or the snap of a twig would alert you to a presence 50 meters away. Your ears are your primary radar.
But in a snow-covered collapse, that radar is jammed. A group of 3 heavy men can sprint within 5 feet of your ground floor window, and you will hear absolutely nothing.
You are effectively deaf. Your evolutionary early warning system has been neutralized by the weather. If you rely on hearing footsteps, you will wake up with a flashlight in your eyes and a gun in your face. To survive the white noise looting, you must understand that the snow is an accomplice to the intruder. It hides their tracks, it muffles their sound, and it freezes your electronic sensors. Battery-powered motion sensors are useless. Lithium-ion batteries lose 50% of their capacity at 0 degrees. They will die quietly in the night, leaving you blind and deaf. You need to stop listening for footsteps and start engineering sound. You need to convert kinetic energy into a signal that bypasses the snow's dampening physics. Method 1. The ice crust trap. Snow is silent because it is soft and porous. You need to make the ground brittle and loud. Before the sun sets, take a bucket of gray water, dishwater, bathwater, anything, and pour it along the key approach paths to your windows. You are not trying to make it slippery, you are making it crunchy. When the temperature drops at night, this wet slush freezes into a chaotic, jagged crust hidden under a light dusting of fresh powder. It becomes a landmine of noise. When an intruder steps on this crust, the structural failure of the ice creates a sharp, high-frequency crack that travels through the frozen ground and vibrates your home's frame. It turns a ninja into a clumsy giant. It is nature's own alarm system, and it costs you 0 electricity. Method 2. The analog perimeter. Do not use high-tech tripwires. Laser systems fail in falling snow because every snowflake breaks the beam, causing false alarms until you turn the system off. You need junk noise. String empty soup cans, glass bottles, or hard plastic trash with dry beans inside them across every choke point in your yard. The snow absorbs the low-frequency thud of boots, but it cannot absorb the sharp metallic clatter of tin hitting tin. High-frequency sound waves cut through the muffled air. Place these trip lines at knee height, hidden behind snowdrifts. It is primitive, it looks ugly, but in a survival situation, ugly keeps you alive. Method 3. Visual denial. The snow creates new geography. Drifts can pile up against fences, creating ramps that allow intruders to walk right over your perimeter walls. You must go out and cut vertical faces into the snowdrifts. A 90-degree wall of snow is an obstacle. A 45-degree slope is a highway. Also, clear the snow away from your windows. If snow piles up against the glass, it allows a looter to press their face directly against the pane without standing up. They can look inside while lying prone, invisible to you. Create a dead zone of clear ground around your house. If they want to look inside, force them to stand up and reveal their silhouette against a white background. Method 4. The decoy psychology. Looters are predators, and predators follow the path of least resistance. If your house is completely dark and silent, it invites curiosity. Is it abandoned? Is there food left?
If your house looks like a fortress with boarded windows and visible guards, it invites a siege. It signals that you have something worth dying for. You want to be the gray man of houses. You want to look occupied, but poor. Occupied, but sick. Leave a single unsettling sign. A broken sled in the yard, a trash bag torn open. Subtly suggest that the chaos has already hit this house and there is nothing left to take. The snow is a blank canvas. Paint a picture of desolation on it. Misdirection is cheaper than ammunition. Finally, understand the whiteout blindness. During a heavy storm, your visibility drops to 0. You cannot see them, but they cannot see you.
Do not shine flashlights out into the snow. The light reflects off the flakes and blinds you while acting as a beacon for anyone watching. You become a lighthouse in a sea of darkness.
Keep your lights off. Adapt your eyes to the dark. Use the ambient light reflecting off the snow to scan for movement, not detail. The winter collapse brings a new set of rules. The silence is a lie. The snow is a weapon. And your home is only as safe as your ability to hear the things that make no sound. Stay off the sensors. Build the ice traps. And when the world goes quiet, that is when you should be most afraid. Survival checklist. Prepare noise-making debris. Water the perimeter before sunset. Clear snow ramps from fences. Maintain visual dead zones. Never use external lights in a blizzard. The storm is coming. Are you listening?